Today is Independence Day and Raksha Bandhan. On 15th August every year, it's the Independence Day of India. And this year, there's also Raksha Bandhan on August 15th. So we're gonna make some creative ideas to symbolize Independence Day. We cut the jute tape into these little leaves. Take one craft felt, any color, and cut it into a little circle. Put these little leaves around the green circle.
Yeah. Yeah. We both are going to do it.
So now, to make design, we'll put the leaves in the middle of the other ones.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, me?
I got this.
Okay, tell me.
Here.
Here.
And one more. Now, we mixed red and yellow to make orange. And then we got white and green. Now we're going to use these colors to paint. So first, we'll take some orange and then we'll make a stripe on the top. Now we're gonna add a stripe of green on the bottom. And I'm done. Now we're gonna do the white color in the middle. Done. So now we'll take 3 pieces of printer paper and then we have to color one white, one orange, and one green. It doesn't matter if you take construction paper or printer paper, you can take any. So let's get started. Okay, now we're done. Fold it like a fan now. After you have folded it like a fan like this, now take it from the middle and then join the sides together. Like, you fold it from the middle and then you hot glue it all together. So now, take the orange and put it like this and put the glue between
Please
here.
note, use hot glue in the presence of adult or take adult's help for applying hot glue.
Now it's closed and now it's made. So now let's do that to the other ones.
Is the best. Do 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 boop. Do 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 boop. Do 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 boop. Do 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 boop.
You just have to put this, the white one, in the middle like that. So let's join them.
And I made a mistake.
Okay, that stick.
That's very hot.
And wait a second. No, that is. You can see this part is open, so we'll join the middle part like that. To join them together, you have to put hot glue in every one of them like this. Dot, 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 dot.
Now we're doing them.
Oh, wait, let's put some extra glue here so you can just bind it. Okay. So now, if you press it and you hold it, now we're gonna join these two together by placing hot glue here and then putting it, okay?
Ooh.
Okay, we put it right. So now we're gonna take these 4 feathers and add them in like this. So first we'll put hot glue and then add them in.
I'm gonna put them.
Okay, I put this in and then I put a hot glue.
Excuse me, I'm gonna do it. Next one, the green one.
And I put this in. So now I'm gonna add this last piece and we are almost done. We have this pack and I got a blue one from there and we're gonna put it in the middle. Here you go. So now I take some golden leaves and put them on here, okay? So like, okay.
Blue jayega, jayega. You have to hurry. You have to hurry. 10, 9, 8, 7, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And
Now it's completed.
it's beautiful and very easy to make.
If you like this video,
Then leave in the comments below
and subscribe.
and like our channel.
Leave the comments below. Bye.